Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grace Retreat and I'm here to talk to you and show you the Biolumin C Gel Moisturiser. So this is relatively new in the Dermalogica range and I love it. So it's brightening, the vitamin C brightens and strengthens your skin, and as you can see it's yet low. So yeah, this is one of my top sellers and it's wonderful. Gives you that glow we all want, the glow that we use these lights for, that gives us that younger looking skin. So I put it on the back of my hand like that, stick your finger in, dab it on, and don't forget neck and chest area as well. So this is strengthening, brightening, gives you that glossy skin. Can you see how glossy that looks? Gives you that really iridescent look. It's gorgeous, like you're in pure beautiful daylight, that kind of look. Can you see? Lovely. So this is strengthening, multivitamin, powerful vitamin C for strengthening, anti-aging, pigmentation, lifting scarring, and strengthening your skin so your skin is healthier, protects itself better. Can you see how that has given me that gorgeous glow? So you apply. Again, this has not got an SPF in it, so you do need to apply an SPF over the top, or if you're using it in the evening, wonderful. But if not, apply a SPF product over the top. So something like the Skin Perfect Primer Factor 30, or one of the other moisturisers, or use this one at night. Or, yeah, go over the top with Dynamic Skin Recovery, a small amount of, but just make sure you're wearing an SPF over the top. Can you see how glossy my skin looks and how hydrated? It's lovely, really, really, really nice. This is the Biolumin C Gel Moisturiser. It's got a lovely texture, it's nice and light. You don't need much of it, and it gives you that glow. Enjoy the product. There'll be more information about the Biolumin C Gel Moisturiser underneath. Check it out, check out the other moisturisers. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.